Richard Brown, and this is Inside the Box, our weekly broadcast to help you stay informed and continuously improve at work. Today we're going to get to see the latest expansion of our cutting capacity in digital corrugated, and we'll learn about our October Coworker Caught Doing Right.
Hi, this is Laura from our Spokane branch announcing the Coworker Caught Doing Right for October is Mary Carr in purchasing. Mary has been an awesome addition to our Spokane branch and is invaluable to our whole box maker team. Mary always has a great attitude, and she's always quick to respond to inquiries and works diligently with our vendors to push to hit the deadlines for our clients. She is always friendly and thorough in her communication and has incredible attention to detail. Her proactiveness in confirming purchase order ETAs allows our sales team to effectively communicate to our clients any changes to their orders. She is a terrific team member and a joy to work with. Congratulations, Mary.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us again next week when we'll hear about September's results and the expansion of our technology department. Until then, be sure to send us any content ideas at insidethebox@boxmaker.com.